recording button. Double dash tab to activate a period.
Hello everyone, I'm here right now guys, in the park right now, in real life, don't think it's AI. Time is about 7:15 p.m. It's around 64 degrees outside right now. It is quite chilly out, but it's nice. Let's simply enjoy the sounds of the park for a moment. Let's just observe our surroundings for a moment. It's a bit of a meditation, guys. Let's simply listen to the sounds of the park without analyzing everything. Because life is about receiving, not about analyzing. That's a key mindfulness lesson here, is that we don't need to analyze everything. Just let it naturally happen. Because a lot of people look for a specific sound or things to analyze, and they don't enjoy the full beauty of the moment compared to if they just let it, if they just receive it. That's the point of mindfulness here, guys, and that's one of the reasons I'm recording this video right now. To not just show you that I'm in the park, but to also kind of do, a little bit of observing. Recording the sounds of the park. It kind of connects to mindfulness. And I'm trying not to point the camera at anyone's face. Maybe, I don't know if I'm doing it, I'm gonna end this recording very soon. And when I get home, I'm gonna post it.
Second.
Alright, I hope you guys have enjoyed this small mindfulness slash update video, and I'll see you guys for tomorrow for our morning reflection.
Zero. Stop recording.